Selling maintenance is very difficult at your shop. You know that they need service, but they don't know. They don't know the value of a cabin air filter, an air filter, or even an oil change. You need to educate them. But educating a consumer is very difficult these days because you're busy back in the bays repairing vehicles, and up at the front counter, you only have a limited amount of time with them. So how do you educate the consumer in a very effective manner? I've got an answer. Artificial intelligence. With artificial intelligence, you can create a script or content for that customer, explaining to them why their vehicle needs to be serviced. With ChatGPT, just simply type in, why do I need to replace my cabin air filter? And then put the prompt at the back in 200 words or less. And here's the response that ChatGPT gave to us. This is very informative. This is great content for the repair order and estimate that will work in the bays and then also at the front counter. The customer is going to see this and know that your shop is credible and you know what you're talking about because you can put it on a repair order. So keep in mind, ChatGPT can make your repair orders look so much better and educate customers far more effectively than just talking to them or them just not listening to you at all. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.